Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I am repeating on and on about the Nalini Precision Engine as well as the Tesla Market Pro so that traders should not do mistake. Traders should not do mistake because they do mistake because they try to be on the lower time frame and they get caught. See, I'm starting from the price action from the on second. Prevailing trend was down on the previous day. You can see clearly the rolling pivots are red. And what happens on the next day on second, market gaps down to 23,233. Probably some important support level, market and morning layers are formed in the market. There is no problem with the engine. Morning layers plots and price according to that, according to the general view, when I am on the time frame, 5 minutes time frame, when the price is above the pivot, then price is closing above the pivot, it is strength. People don't see what is happening here. They don't wait for that. They try to enter into because FOMO, fear of missing out. They enter into the trade. Some scalpers also even enter into the trade. From here, you can notice from 23,233, market runs 100 points, almost 100 points. Let me put it here. You can see 93 points. So the market will be so fast in the opening bell. This is how many candles have elapsed? Not even 1 hour. 9:50. 9:15 market opens, not even 1 hour, the market rallies 100 points. So the fear of missing out makes the traders to enter into the market early, and also they do not wait. They do not wait. And most of the traders, intraday traders, are scalpers. They don't wait, they want to enter into the market and see all of a sudden you see the price action over here, 100 points jump and it starts coming. How much it is plummeting? You see over here. It is plummeting almost 69 points, 70 points, only 30 points remaining. For 100 points jump in the underlying, the market so fast it rallies. The underlying, suppose if you are on the ATM call option, 50 points, minimum 50 points jump will be there. And you enter here at this candle. For example, you are entering at this candle and all this money will be wiped out. It comes with a gust. Power moves with the power down 69, 70 points. 70 points means almost 30 to 40 points will be wiped out from your call option. Then definitely you are panicking. You have entered at here, and when 30 points have gone, finished. Your trade is finished. Premature trading, premature entry. You are on the 5 minute and you forget the prevailing trend. Prevailing trend was down. So when there is an exhaustion in this downtrend, the market has halted over here. This is a roller coaster ride. The market moves up and this is the big money playing over here, and suddenly it comes down. Suddenly it comes down, it goes up, comes down, and notice here the price is compressing. In live market, it is not possible to your mind will stop thinking, you will be concentrating on these candles. And that is what retail traders have been taught. Just price, red bar theory, or green candle, elephant bar. So many names are given for the candles, and they promote their trading strategies. See, in this roller coaster ride, see, only when it popped up in this way, you lost your money, and to your surprise, it goes again up. You feel bad. You feel bad. And there it starts coming down. You enter into put option, and then it comes down again, it goes up. You feel bad. Nothing is happening. It is just rolling out like that. So, if you are on the 5 minutes time frame, you will get to see this. And if I change the 15 minutes time frame, let me reset the chart and let us go back and see here. See the same behavior. 1 minute. Let me zoom it this way. See, the price is so compressed within the time. Only real move happened after 12 p.m. Then I noticed something. Price is telling positive, but why I am not able to materialize this move properly? Because the time I am acting I'm acting properly, but I'm not timing the market properly. That's where there was a problem it comes problem for every trader. They enter prematurely, and rules have been set, and rules have been violated with the indicator. They go to the lower time frame and they try to enter. And even rules on the 15 minutes, if you stay on the 15 minutes, the move comes, the price closes above this. Only that. How to avoid that? How to know that what is happening in the market, even on the lower time frame? Then I thought I must invent a Tesla machine, time machine, so that it will give me the energy flow as with the time slots, and I can guess what is happening in the market. Then, friends, I will enable the Tesla time pro machine. Then you see for yourself. See for yourself. See, after this move, exhaustion, energy flow exhaustion. Because of the energy flow exhaustion, let me take out this drawing. And these are the layers of the Nalini Precision Engine, pivot R1, R2, but the GAN Hilo down and Tesla time, energy flow, Tesla time, 36 is coming. 36 is coming, but where is the rolling blue? You mark this. Price is consolidating within now everything becomes clear with the time. So it is coming and it is not about popping out. These are the range filters from the Tesla machine. I have coded for that. This is the higher time 15 minutes range filter, and it is hourly range filter, and it is 15 minutes, and it is 5 minutes. If you observe closely, if you are on the 5 minutes, I am on the 15 minutes, even on the 15 minute, this range filter is not giving you signal at all. And time slots are coming, so compression. Energy compression, energy is not expanding, time slots, the time is moving like that. Here at this point, you see a next time is coming 108. After 135, 189 comes. This is 189. Tesla, this one that correlates to 12:30 p.m. You see my Nalini precision engine marks the known layers. Marks the known layers and price. These are the pivots R1, R2. Like the morning layers, price is popping out from the same behavior, but there is a change in the Gann Hilo behavior. It has taken so much of time trend to set in. It is flipping. It is flipping from magenta to blue. So it needs time, friends. Anything after the exhaustion, it is an exhaustion, imbalance, it has to balance with the price. So with the Tesla time machine, you get caution not to trade. Do not trade. Every day this is the same thing, it happens. And notice here, the first thing, noon layers aligning and Gann Hilo aligning, and this shorter period RF machine, RF engine, it is becoming green. Let me hide the Nalini precision engine so that you can see the RF engine. RF, internal range filters, are aligning themselves. The time slot 189, and see the movement. Range filters are turning. This is hourly, 15 minutes and 3 minutes. All are let me make it line chart so that you can see the color change in these filters. Can you see the transition? Transition when the price moves and the time slot above this, expansion comes. This is where your trade comes. So that's why most of the intraday traders lose money because of this. Timing is very, very important in the market. Of course, the Nalini precision engine was telling positive everything, but the time had not come. How many times you might have noticed you put an effort for something and that doesn't materialize. But all of a sudden, something changes in your life, that moment comes, that time comes, everything happens. You might have heard your elder saying, let the time come. The time will change. That is what? The time is changing for the market. The Indian market, you see, you have to observe this was the consolidation, preceding consolidation range formation with the time and the energy compressing after the exhaustion, and the price is moving and internal range filters are also. See, beautifully I've coded for that. This is hourly, the dotted one, and the 15-minute, and see, it could not go above the hourly time, this one, range filter. There you start seeing price clustering over there, and so beautifully you can see price clustering over there, and it is coded for range candles also. These are compression candles. They become gray. When they become gray, like rolling pivot turning into black, let me put a Nalini precision engine now. You can see how everything matches. See over here, Nalini precision is turning black. but the time is telling it is time to exit, time to book profits. So before the Nalini precision engine, rolling pivot, balance turning to neutral, the time is telling you it is time to move away. See, it is the caution. With the combination of these two indicators, time machine, Tesla time, see, you get to know when to enter with the Tesla machine, time machine, and what is happening in the market with the precision engine. You get to know the straddle layers, morning layers, mapping of the levels for the trade, and that the rest is happening. Next day, see, this was the ultimate level. For a call writer, they get a caution at 23,550 is your resistance. 23,550. Okay, friends. Now, the price always makes an attempt. It is a roller coaster ride. It wants to die. It is making an attempt. Same thing. Exhaustion was previous day. In this case, exhaustion on the same day, see the time machine and RF engine aligning, you get to trade here. Different picture, different presentation, but the time machine tells you and how to enter into the market. Next day, let us come to the fourth. See, market gaps down, same presentation, gaps down like this, and the price is moving. Everything perfect. Trend is perfect. Range filter is okay. And if you see that there is an exhaustion at this time, at the morning level, it picks up different presentation, friends, and it starts clustering. Time 36, 108, 135, 108, noon layers coming. It is consolidating, range candles are forming. This is exhausting. Different presentation, you get confused. So patience always pays, friends. The market was on that day, that was a Tuesday, Thursday, it was not moving anywhere. You can see the cluster of the time cycles, the whole day, entire day, all the time slots within the range. Nothing is happening within the range of the price. Something is cooking. This is the preparation day. It happens always within a week because the premium of the call option and the put option, they realign themselves, and the premium will lose the money, which will be very high. They will come to a little bit normal prices. After that, when they align themselves for an range level, proper normal level, the market next day, it is a gap. Fifth, RBI policy, news, and you have got 23,550. Morning, it's a gap up. The exhaustion is, energy flow is exhaustion. The people have taken position yesterday itself, and range filter positive, everything positive. The market has popped up from the noon layers. The call buyers, they are dominating, but call writers are waiting. Call writers get panic because it is popping up. All positive news. Cabinet has passed bill for tax rebate for the foreign portfolio investors. Positive news. RBI policy. Mixed signals. You know that RBI is not going to, do any changes in the interest rate, but you are getting a positive news along with that. Your mind gets confused. You are a confused trader. Again, you are a confused trader. Opening your trade, you are an intraday trader. But the advantage is for a writer, by this time, the money where he has sold this call option might have reduced. I will show it to you. Same level, note down the third as the resistance, and I'll show you the same call option, what has happened. By the time it came to fifth, 3 days have elapsed. Time decay, even though intrinsic value may be intact, but the time value might have decayed and the premium might have come down. Right, yes, friends. What happened was an history, same thing. The time market did not made a roller coaster ride. It's a wide range. You can see the range over here. Oh, RBI governor comes and says there is no interest change. Price comes down. See the no time, 10:45. Again pushes high, and the time there is no expansion. Noon layers forms in. The direction of the market resumes with the time slot, but during this period, you can see the Gann Hilo is adjusting, price is below the pivot, and you are not getting confused, and time slot, time machine is on 189. 189 and the range filter is turning. See, shorter period range filter. Let me hide the Nalini Precision Engine so that you can see clearly. This was longer period dotted line. It was here. It did not allow, it was magenta color. All of a sudden, it is becoming green. You tend to enter into the market. See, signals are coming. But what it is doing? It is compressed. The compressed longer period range filter, that is hourly, and the 15 minutes and the 3 minutes are compressed. Range filters are compressed. Time slots are compressed. Price is below the Nalini Precision Engine pivot. And you can see if I enable the Gann Hilo Nalini Precision, it is negative. So direction is clear. The timing matters, friends. You get to know the direction. Direction was like this. This was a roller coaster ride. And see this candle sweeping the seller stop loss. This is the presence of the big money. You can notice. If you notice this candle and going past this level, stop loss hunting and closing inside. That is an indication. Once this type of candle is formed, it takes time. How much time it has taken from here, 11 p.m. to 12, 1 hour sideways. So, impatient traders lose money. Only patient traders tend to get money from the market. There is plenty of money in the market, but it will not manifest for you because you act very prematurely. That is where 369 energy flow. That is, even this number is used for manifestation of anything, psychological manifestation also. 369 is utilized, and Tesla time comes over here and it aligns with your thing. So if you practice the energy 369, you start doing that, you will see the changes. I'm not talking spirituality or anything. 369 is related to everything, even to Brahmanda. 3 is the creation, 6 is the strength, and 9 is the release of energy. For that, 3 gods are named Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. That is how everything it applies. You need to wait for the release of energy, and you need to see if 3 and the price is within the birth, there is no energy flowing. So that means it is not expansion. You wait for the energy. Time-wise market is going sideways. Once you enter at proper, money comes to you. Money manifests into your packet. Money is there in the market, but you cannot manifest it because of wrong entry, one thing, and wrong timing. This is where Tesla time comes over here. This is what I wanted to tell. So friends, these two indicators are my paid indicator. They are my precision indicators, and I can challenge this. No one has created like this indicator. If you want to access this indicator, these are paid indicators. 9845209600. You need to message me on this WhatsApp number. You will get the details of the pricing as well as how to get access. Thank you very much, friends. Nalakshi Swami signing off.